Hi, what I want to show you today is a crepe maker from Royal Catering. As you can see, it's a double crepe maker, so quite efficient. This you would commonly see in designated crepe shops. They are pretty trendy at the moment. So what it does crepes. So a delicious sweet snack, very popular. So let me just go through some of the details and I'll tell you what it has. So first of all, you have two heating surfaces, of course made of cast iron, which is great for heat distribution. They're both coated with special enamel that should prevent the dough from sticking to it. They're both 40 centimeters in diameter. The housing is made of stainless steel, and of course the heart of the machine is inside, and it works with 2 times 3000 watts. 2 times because each of the heating plates is powered individually, so you can, as you can see, there's 2 controls, one for each. There's 2 cords for one of each, which is great. It has the advantage that you can turn on only one of these at a time. So if you're not that busy at the moment, you don't need to waste any energy, any electricity, therefore money, and just fire one up. When it gets slightly busier, then you can fire up the other one and you can dish out crepes by the hundreds. Alright, so as I mentioned, 3000 watts for each heating surface. One advice there: when you turn on the device the first time, always crank it up to the maximum temperature, which is, by the way, 300 degrees, so you can set it from 50 up to 300. Of course, this knob doubles as a on and off switch. You have 2 indicator lights for each knob, so the green one lights up as soon as you plug it in. That's the indicator that the power is on, and the orange one indicates that the device is heating up. So you see the orange one flashing during service because that's the sign that the automated temperature control works. So when it reaches the desired temperature, it will turn itself off. In order to keep the temperature, we'll turn on and off the heating element, therefore it will be flashing. But what I was saying, when you open it up, crank it up to 300 degrees, wait for the smoke until the smoke clears up. That's a normal process, and then turn down the temperature to whatever your recipe says. That's just to prepare the device, and that's also an advice to do before every service. So I always turn it up for a little while. It takes for the first time it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Every other time it takes about 2 or 3 minutes just for the device to heat up to proper temperature, then just drop it down. Very cool feature, that the fact it has a special drawer underneath it. That's where you can put all your utensils, whatever you need, just to keep it on hand. Talking about accessories, in the package you also get one of these. That's a wooden spatula. That's for distributing the dough on the surface. One advice there as well, I've seen people soaking in the water. I think about 30-40 minutes is enough. Or just leave it in water overnight. Make sure when you put it back in the storage you dry it properly, otherwise it'll get moldy. But what it does, it actually prevents the wooden spatula from burning, because these surfaces may get hot. So that prevents it from burning, and it adds certain lubrication so the spatula won't go through your dough and won't poke holes in your crepes. Alright, so if you are looking for one of these, if you're looking for a crepe maker, just have a look at the website. There's a whole range of these devices. You may find it interesting, and you definitely find the one that you need for your business. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great, because normally kitchen appliances come with 24 months. So that speaks for itself. 36 months, that's a long time, so that's a really cool feature. And the producer also made sure they pack it really well. I can show you the whole box, but I'll show you a piece of it. That's a really sturdy cardboard with some wooden reinforcements, so the device will not move around during transport at all. Therefore it will arrive at your place safe and sound. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Just have a look at it before you start the device the first time. There's a lot of information on how to prep the device for the first use, how to operate it, how to clean it, and so on. So definitely worth having a look at. Alrighty, so that's about it. If you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.